YORNEW small 5-axis CNC machine center. Configuration: use single-phase voltage. Use high-accuracy linear guides and box screws. Machine tool body cast with high-quality cast iron materials. Materials that can be processed: steel, iron, copper, aluminum alloy, etc. Best choice for DIY or hobby user and education training. CNC. Configured with YORNEW 5-axis linked CNC system, supporting rotation tool center point function, can process small 5-axis parts and various complex 3-axis parts.